looking at a roof here that's got pretty good slope, structural concrete deck, insulated with EPDM and structural slope. But you can see as you get to the roof drain, for instance, in the far corner, it looks like there's a bunch of sludge there. What's actually happening is there's exhaust, process exhaust from the factory and down below, and it's just accumulating. So we've talked before about overflow drains, and their function is if the primary gets plugged. And you can see here the primary, you can barely see in there, there's barely a hole left inside, where the drain pipe is almost completely encrusted with processed debris. So what's happening here is that the water is just pounding on the roof, and eventually when it gets deep enough, it's going out through the overflow scupper off the roof. So it just goes, it's an example where at least twice a year preventive maintenance keeps this type of thing from happening, so that the water runs off the roof through the plumbing systems as it's supposed to, and not through the emergency overflow.